Exercise 2D, question number 1. Question number 1 says, the sum of two numbers is 138 and their difference is 88. Find the two numbers. So to solve this one, we need to say that let the numbers are x and y. Okay, where we can say x is greater than y. That is better because one is the bigger number and another one is the smaller number. Okay, so according to the question says the sum of two numbers, that means x plus y equal to 138, and the difference means subtraction, so x minus y will be 88. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now if we solve the simultaneous equations, then we can find out the value of x and y. So how can we solve? Just add equation 1 and 2. We can easily solve these two equations. That will be x plus y equal to 138 and x minus y will be 88. Now solve. If we add, y minus y will be 0, x plus x will be 2x. And if we add 8 plus 8, 16, we have 1. 8 plus 4, 12, we have 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Then what is the value of x? X will be 226 divided by 2. After dividing 226 by 2, we will get 113. Now we need to find out the value of y. So we can use equation 1 or equation 2 to find out the value of y. So from 1 we can write x plus y equal to 138. So instead of x, we can put the value of x here. That means substitute the value of x, that is 113, in equation number 1. So instead of x, we can write 113 plus y equal to 138. Then what will be the value of y? Y should be 138 minus 113. Now solve. Then you can find out the value of y. That is 8 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So the value of x will be 113 and the value of y will be 25. So here the question says find the two numbers. So the numbers are 113 and 25. Look at question number 2. Question number 2 says the difference between two numbers is 10 and their sum is 4 times the smaller number. Find the two numbers. So again we can say let the numbers are x and y, and we can say x greater than y. So when we will write x greater than y, that means x is the bigger number, y is the smaller number. Okay. So according to the question, we can say the difference. So difference means we need to subtract these two numbers. So x minus y will be 10. And their sum means x plus y equal to is 4 times the smaller number. So 4 times the smaller number, here what is the smaller number? Y. So 4 times of y. Okay. So from this one we can write x plus y. If we move 4y in this side, then it will be minus 4y. Or we can write x minus 3y equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now, if we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, then we can eliminate the value of x. Look, x minus y equal to 10 and x minus 3y equal to 0. Now, after subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1, we can eliminate actually the value of x. Okay. So what will happen here right now? Here, when we will subtract, then the sign of the second equation will be changed. That means plus will be converted as minus, minus will be converted as plus, and plus will be converted as minus. X minus x, 0, minus y plus 3y, minus y plus 3y, and 10 minus 0, 10. So 3y minus y will be 2y equal to 10, or we can say the value of y will be 10 by 2, 5. Okay. Now we need to find out the value of x. So from equation number 2 or equation number 1, whatever you want to try, but I prefer equation number 2 here because here if we want to put the value of y, then we can easily find out the answer. So x minus 3y equal to 0. Then x equal to 3y, or x will be 3 multiplied by the value of y is 5. So 3 5s are 15. So here we will get two numbers. One is 15, another one is 5, and 15 is the bigger number. Okay, and that is the solution of question number 2.